In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on WordPress. By the end, you'll know how to access the right area in WordPress, choose the product tool you want, and complete the purchase and activation so you're ready to start showcasing items on your site. First, make sure you're signed into your WordPress dashboard with an account that has administrator access. If you're on WordPress.com, confirm your plan supports plugins or marketplace purchases and have a payment method ready if the tool you pick isn't free. This helps you move smoothly through checkout without interruptions. Begin by navigating to the area in WordPress where product-related tools are offered. From your dashboard, open the section where you can browse available plugins or product page solutions. This is where you'll find tools designed to help you display items, build product listings, and prepare your site for e-commerce features. If you don't see the marketplace or plugin browser, it may be a plan limitation, so double-check your account status before proceeding. Next, choose the product solution that fits your needs. Take a moment to read the description carefully, look at screenshots, and review the feature list. Consider whether it supports the layout you want, such as grids, carousels, or galleries, and whether it integrates with your existing theme and any e-commerce platform you plan to use. Check version compatibility, recent updates, and user ratings to gauge reliability and support. If a demo or preview is available, use it to visualize how products will appear on your site. Picking the right tool here saves you time later and ensures a cleaner, more consistent look for your catalog. When you're confident about your choice, click Purchase and Activate. If the tool is paid, you'll be guided through a quick checkout. After payment, WordPress will handle the installation and activation for you. Watch for a confirmation message indicating that activation is complete. In many cases, you'll see a prompt or setup screen guiding you to basic options or a Get Started wizard. That's normal and simply confirms the tool is now live on your site. You can verify this by checking your plugins or extensions list. The status should show as active. If you use a caching plugin or a host level cache, clear it so your changes appear immediately on the front end. And that's it. You accessed the product area in WordPress, selected the solution that matches your goals, and purchased and activated it. If you encounter a grayed out purchase button, it often means your plan doesn't allow that item. Upgrading or contacting support typically resolves it. If activation fails, retry once, then check for conflicts with existing plugins. You're now set up and ready to build out your product display.